恭喜发财! Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to the Year of the Rabbit. Today, I just want to quickly show you how I plated my Yuzang salad for reunion dinner last night. Hope everyone had a good one. So we're going to start off with shredded daikon and shredded carrot like usual. It is slightly different to our normal recipe, which you can find on our website. Then we've got some cucumber, some pomelo there as well, coriander. Love the coriander in this salad. And then I've got fried purple sweet potato and normal sweet potato and some pickled ginger on either side. This version of our Yuzang salad is actually a vegetarian one, so there's no salmon or jellyfish in it. So it's a great option if you need a vegetarian Yuzang salad. And as you can see in the middle, I've put some extra shredded carrot and some extra daikon, and I'm just building a little shape there. Can you see what it is? Yes, it's a rabbit, or some kind of a rabbit, to represent the year of the rabbit. And to finish, I'm just going to lay down some deep fried wonton skins, some golden pillows. And you can serve with our homemade Yuzang sauce, which you can find the recipe on the website. Happy New Year, wishing you good health and good fortune. See ya!